In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a milestone in Monday.com. This is a straightforward process, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to effectively keep track of your project milestones on the platform. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to log in to your Monday.com account. Once you're logged in, ensure that you're on the timeline view. For those who might not be familiar, the timeline view offers a comprehensive calendar of all your tasks and is vital for adding milestones because each one will show up as a distinct point on this timeline. It's also important to verify that your board includes a timeline column. This column is crucial as it allows you to change task dates and provides a clear visual of your project's timeline. Now, if your board setup permits, you could also choose to switch to a calendar view or even a Gantt chart view. Both these views offer different perspectives and could enhance how you perceive your timelines and milestones. Once you've confirmed your view setup, hone in on the timeline column, as this is where the magic happens. To add a milestone, you'll want to right-click on your designated date within this column. Following this, select View in Gantt from the menu. This action will open up a new tab, showcasing your project in a Gantt view. Gantt charts are particularly advantageous for milestone tracking, as they give you a visual presentation of your entire project schedule, letting you easily spot overlaps and dependencies. Once you've transitioned into the Gantt view, click directly on the timeline where you wish to insert your milestone. This simple click will automatically generate a milestone at the selected point on your timeline. Yes, it's as easy as that. From here, you have the discretion to adjust and further customize the milestone as needed. If you'd like to change its name, set dependencies, or tweak the time frame, feel free to go ahead. This control ensures that your milestones beautifully fit into your project objectives and timelines. In essence, adding a milestone in Monday.com is a swift and efficient strategy to keep your projects organized and visible to your team members. Remember, milestones are more than just dates or deadlines. They are significant checkpoints in your project that help you assess progress and maintain your course. So now, with these steps in hand, go ahead and start marking those key achievements on your timeline. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep exploring the platform to make the most out of your project management. Happy organizing!